Education is the most powerful weapon which can be used to change the world. With this quote, I, Dr. Jayanti Kumari, Professor, Department of ECE and Conveyor of Icscr 2024, take the privilege to extend a warm welcome to one and all present here for this second international conference on smart technologies, communication, and robotics. Let's begin with this event with the blessings of our Honorable Chairman Dr. S.M. Venkatapati, who has nurtured the foundation for the great education institution. Let us invoke the divine presence of the Almighty with the invocation song. Now I request Nandita and Sahana of 4th Sem to sing a invocation song.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मने गानोत्सुकाय गानमट्टाय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुगुरुत्सायिनि गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसदाराज्ञाय गुरुपुत्रपरित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गुणगुल्फाय गन्धमट्टाय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि.
Thank you, Nandita and Sahana. We will commence the event by lighting the lamp of knowledge and wisdom. So let us honor to invite all the dignitaries on the dais to light the lamp and pay the proper tribute to our Honorable Founder Chairman. pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chairperson, Srimati B.L. Ramadevi Venkatapati Madam, CEOs of EPGA, Shri S.V. Pramod Gowda Sir and Shri S.V. Rajiv Gowda Sir in their absence here. It is our honor and privilege to have such a distinguished chief guest, Dr. Mohammed Ms. Buddin, Director CDAC, for today's session. Your presence has elevated the significance of this conference. We welcome you, sir. I request Dr. Anita Kumar, Professor, Department of ECE, to welcome our chief guest. Thank you, ma'am. I welcome the keynote speaker of today's session, Dr. Silvia, Engineering Department, University of Sanio, Italy. We welcome you, ma'am. She will be joining on that. I extend my hearty welcome to our expected Senior Vice President, Dr. Prakat Sir, who is the dynamic person with the great ideology and vision. We hope that with your energy, enthusiasm, and the focus on education and learning, our institute achieves greater excellence. We welcome you, sir. I request Dr. Rajesh L., co-convener of ICSC, to welcome his speakers. Thank you, Dr. Rajesh. My warm welcome to our expected principal, Dr. Mrutyunjaya V. Latte, sir, who has the vast experience in teaching and administration, and your leadership and guidance may we reach the next level of glory. We welcome you, sir. I request Dr. Chandrapa, sir, to welcome our principal, sir. Thank you, sir. My hearty welcome to our beloved Vice Principal and HOD of ECE, Dr. Yogesh GS, sir, who has been leading the ECE department with great dedication and commitment. This event was successful only with the motivation and encouragement of our HOD, sir. We welcome you, sir. I request Dr. Navya ma'am to welcome our HOD, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It's my privilege to welcome the Academic Director of EPGA, Dr. Ashok sir. I request Emavati ma'am to welcome him. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my hearty welcome to the Research Director, Dr. Prahalad sir. I request Professor Asha ma'am to welcome him. Thank you, ma'am. I extend my hearty welcome to the session chair of today's session, Dr. Pradeep P., Professor and Department of ECE, C College of Engineering and Technology. I request Professor Malini ma'am to welcome him. I extend my hearty welcome to the Icscr Director, Dr. Divakaran sir, so in his absence here. I extend my hearty welcome to Dr. Rajesh L., who is the co-convener of this conference. I welcome you, sir. I request Professor Kiran Kumar sir to welcome him. Thank you, Kiran sir. My heartily welcome to all the HODs of various departments, faculty members, participants of various colleges and students. I will welcome once again. Thank you.
I heartily welcome Dr. Jayanti Kumari ma'am, convener of the International Conference ICSR 2K24. We welcome you ma'am. I request Dr. Chandraprasad to welcome her.
Thank you, sir. Now I request our Senior Vice President, Dr. Prakash sir, to address the gathering.
Respected Chief Guest, Dr. Muhammad Musbuddin sir, Associate Director at CDAC. Let me first thank him for accepting our invitation to be the keynote address and being here for this international conference. So thank you so much for being with us, sir. Ashok sir, Director Academics for EPGI. Dr. Prahlad sir, Director for Research and Development, Eastbound Group of Institutions. Principal Dr. Latte sir, Dr. Yogesh, Vice Principal and HOD ENC, my dear colleagues and dearest students. Conference theme is Smart Technologies, Communication and Robotics. I was just looking it out. What is the meaning of smart technologies? I think next time we should. Can we rename this to intelligent technologies or intelligent systems? The advanced smart devices will become intelligent. That's what the Google meaning is all about. Yes, definitely intelligence has shifted from not only it was there in the core, now it has actually come to the peripheral also. That's what your Alexa or end devices still do. That means intelligence is not only at the core, not only at the controller level or the processor level, now it has actually intelligence has also come to the peripheral. That's at the edge. Today people speak about edge analytics. That means decision making or analytics is done at the edge. That's what the device is. Today my cameras have become intelligent. Doesn't just the cameras. This is what the smart devices happen. There's a huge revolution that is happening today in the smart and intelligent space. A lot of devices are getting more smarter and smarter today. Okay. Of course, AI and machine learning has really. Anyway, today we have the keynote speaker is going to speak about all these technologies. What is the actually, I'm just speaking out to few of my technical folks. What is that it's going to happen? Even if you go and see the McKinsey report or the Gartner reports, 2030 happens to be the biggest revolution where even 60 is going to be matured. Yeah, and ML is going to mature. Gen AI is going to take in a very big swing. Things are going to. So it's a very, very important for the education sector. Present to the old stuffs that we classroom. No student was in physical mode. It should happen some experiences of projects, some outcomes on the products. This is what the complete education system is going to happen. We only focus to have certain events of experiences, and product or project show happens only yearly. That should not be the case. It should be a day-to-day classroom practice where students come and discuss about the projects and the. So India is really emerging. We are the early birds to catch up AI, and today I don't know. Even though US tells that they are the dominant AI workforce, next few years the highest, largest supplier of AI workforce will be from India, and we are going to revolutionize the AI space, Gen AI space that happens from India. That's taken, no doubt about this. If you go and speak, if you go and listen to Ashwin, Railway Minister and IT Minister, very recently of the mobiles which is being used today in India done in India, assembled. Yes, I'm not telling it's manufactured because manufacturing is a very big word because I bring. No, actually, assembling of 9. That's what I think smart factories are getting chip manufacturing. People who are all are ENC people. They're all ENC people always scared that sir, we don't have jobs. Only computer science people have jobs. No, the things are going to change drastically. And today, it is not just about when AI generated exactly a new concept by itself. It was actually done neural networks, deep learning, all this was were there. We didn't have processing capabilities. Today, NVIDIA has an amazing chip where it processes all your LLMs.
Good morning, everyone. Respected Chief Guest of today's program, Dr. Muhammad Misbahuddin, scientist here, Sri Lanka, Dr. Prakash, Dr. Yogesh, Professor Ashok, Dr. Prahlad, the experts from other institutions, Dr. Pradeep, all my faculty colleagues, convener, co-convener of the uh, program, this conference, and all my dear students and participants. Yes, the title of the program is Smart Technologies, Communication and Robotics. In fact, all the three words are very big in their own field. Uh, Individually, for all these three categories, independent conferences or programs are to be engaged or are to be conducted. That is the real requirement today. So, you see the smart technologies. So, everything is going to be smart. So, as the professor said, intelligent is involved. Communication, yes, the developments are so fast. So, we are on to the 5G communication and definitely the next level of communication. There should not be any disturbances in the communication. Robotics, that is the automation going on. So all these years, we have seen the strength of the Indian electronics and communication engineers with respect to the miniaturization process. Definitely with the VLSI expertise with our engineers, India has started the production of the IC chips and other things, other required parameters of the industry. And we are in the main domain or in the very ahead of every S1. And this particular conference, second in the series, international conference, and definitely the conference is going to throw light on all the three aspects, and the authors are going to get new ideas. I was told more than 100 papers were received for this particular conference, and the shortlisted were around 40 or so. So definitely the 2 days experience for both the authors and the participants will be a good experience. And I take this opportunity to congratulate the department, and this is definitely appreciable job. So keep continue.
Now I request our Vice Principal and HOD Department of ECE, Dr. Yogesh GS, sir, to deliver the address.
Mohammed sir, we are blessed to have on this occasion respected Professor, Senior Vice President, respected Principal sir, Industry 4.0 is ruling the world in its own way. In the present emerging technologies like IoT and cloud, combinedly creating a huge opportunity in the Industry 4.0. So keeping all this in mind, we thought this international conference will give a connectivity for the research scholars. Thought process will definitely improve, and we can come up with the innovative products. Dear participants, I would like to one final quote: uniting global minds to innovate, inspire, and share. I sincerely thank all the participants throughout the globe who have participated in this international conference. My sincere gratitude goes to conveyor and co-conveyor, Dr. Jayanti Madam and Dr. Rajesh for their contribution and cooperation for this conference. I also sincerely thank the whole team of Icscr for their contribution. Without your kind support of research scholars, this conference would have been not successful. I sincerely thank each and everyone who has contributed for this international conference. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, sir. I request Professor Rajesh L. to introduce our chief guest of today's session.
Good morning, everyone. Thank you very much, first of all, to the management for inviting me, and thanks to the dignitaries on the dais, Dr. Prakash sir, and Principal Dr. Latte sir, I came with sir. It was very good interaction during our journey. Now in Bangalore, even 15 kilometers is a journey. So, Yogesh sir, we have been interacting